Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to close a store on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Closing your Wix store is a simple process, especially if you no longer want to offer your online store. You can either disable it temporarily or permanently remove the Wix store app. Now, once you are inside the Wix editor, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. If you have installed the Wix store app, right here, for example, we're gonna look at the Wix store. This one, if you install this on your website, okay, so all you have to do is remove this for now. If you plan to reopen your store in the future, you might want to temporarily disable it by hiding to your store pages. But again, if you wanted to remove that entirely, just click on disable. All right, remove the Wix store app so that you would completely remove the store and its features from your site. Now, another option for you to close your store is click on the Wix located in the upper left corner and go to the dashboard. What will happen is there's going to be an option here on the left side panel of your dashboard that says settings. I want you to click on it. And on the settings here, there should be an option that says website settings. Click that. You would be forwarded to your website, and that includes your store. And for you to be able to close your store temporarily, just click on unpublish, and that would do all the work for you, because once you unpublish, your website won't be visible to your visitors. That means closing your store, right? So click that. And again, you can always publish your store again if you want to reopen that. It's very easy. Now, I want you to hover again to the website editor, because in this case, I want you to click on the pages and menu. Now, if you want to, for example, if you have plans like reopening your store in the future, you can temporarily disable it by hiding your store pages or disabling the checkout. In my case, I am using the shop for my store. Just click on hide for now or delete that. But in this case, just click on hide from menu. You can do the same thing with your product pages. This is my shop and my product pages. I'm gonna hide that from my menu. This will hide the store from your site visitors, but again, you can reactivate it later by unhiding the pages right here. Okay? But if you are still having problems closing your store on your Wix account, the last option that you can do is simply go to the Wix customer care for support. And these are going to be the channels, all right? They have like a 24/7 support center. And from here, click the get started option. And we're looking for you can ask the bot to get an answer. But basically, once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems closing your store on Wix, and they would provide insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.